Hi there! Today we're going to talk about the digital customer journey. This is useful for any digital or growth marketer focusing on improving the conversion rate and increasing the number of acquired customers. The digital customer journey is a concept that refers to the sequence of interactions and touchpoints that a customer has with a brand through its digital channels. This journey starts from initial awareness through the conversion and post-purchase engagement. Customers go through multiple stages from the moment they find out about your brand until they become your loyal advocates. Understanding and mapping out this journey is vital for businesses in optimizing their digital strategies and ensuring that their customers have a smooth and fulfilling experience at every stage. Now let's break down the different stages of the digital customer journey. And stage number 1 is awareness. This is the stage where potential customers first become aware of a brand, a product, or a service. Digital touchpoints in this stage might include social media ads, online articles, search engine results, or video marketing on platforms like YouTube. At this point, your messages and experiences should focus on educational content, brand storytelling, and broad-based marketing campaigns. For example, you could create a visually engaging video ad on social media highlighting a company's sustainability practices. Or you could write articles that address common issues in an industry without directly promoting a product. Stage number 2 is the consideration stage. After becoming aware, customers start gathering information and comparing their options. Digital channels in this phase include review sites, forums, blogs, brand websites, and educational content like webinars or ebooks. Your messages and experiences at the consideration stage should focus on detailed product descriptions, testimonials and reviews, case studies, and comparison charts. For example, you may create a webinar showcasing how a software solution addresses specific industry challenges. Or you may add an interactive tool on your website, allowing visitors to compare features of different product models. Stage number 3 is the decision stage. And at this stage, customers are ready to make a purchase decision. They might engage with product demos, pricing pages, testimonials, and customer reviews. Some of the touchpoints that play a huge role at this stage are online chat support, product comparison tools, and detailed FAQs. At this stage, your messages and experiences should focus on special promotions or discounts, guarantees or warranties, free trials, and customer testimonials and endorsements. You may come up with an email campaign with a limited time discount code to encourage the customers to purchase. Or you can build a pop-up chatbot on your website offering to guide potential customers through a product demo. Stage number 4 is the purchase stage. This is when a transaction occurs. E-commerce platform, digital payment gateways, and secure checkout processes are key digital touchpoints at this stage. Your objective here is to ensure a smooth transaction and confirm the decision to buy. Therefore, your messages and experiences at this stage must focus on having clear pricing and billing information, secure payment gateways, immediate confirmation of purchase, and thank you messages. For example, you must have a checkout process that offers multiple payment options, including digital wallets. You may also create an email that confirms the order with a detailed receipt and a personalized thank you note that truly stands out and relates to your brand story. Stage number 5 is the post-purchase. After purchasing, the journey does not end. The post-purchase phase involves customer support, product use, and potential advocacy. Email communications, online support portals, loyalty programs, and even feedback surveys are common digital interactions in this stage. Your messages and experiences at this point should focus on onboarding guides or tutorials, customer support accessibility, and feedback requests. For instance, you may create a series of instruction emails guiding a customer on how to set up and use a newly purchased software. Or you may also send a follow-up email asking for a product review a few weeks after delivery. Stage number 6 is the loyalty and advocacy stage. satisfied customers become repeat buyers and may refer others as well. This stage can involve loyalty programs, referral schemes, and online communities or social media groups where customers can share their positive experiences. Your messages and experiences at this stage should focus on loyalty program details, exclusive offers for returning customers, or requests for referrals. If you have an app, you may create a push notification promoting a sale exclusively for members of a loyalty program. Or you may also promote a referral program where existing customers get discounts for every new customer they refer. Now, regardless of the stage, there are 3 aspects that you must prioritize if you're working within the framework of a digital customer journey. Number 1 is personalization. With the use of data analytics and AI, companies can tailor digital experiences to individual users, making their journey feel unique and directly relevant to their needs and preferences. Number 2 is seamlessness. Seamlessness ensures a frictionless and consistent experience as users transition between various digital touchpoints. A disjointed experience can frustrate users, and that can lead to drop-offs. For example, if a user starts shopping on a mobile app but switches to their desktop, their shopping cart should reflect the same items. Number 3 is analytics and feedback. Using analytics tools, customer feedback, heat maps, and A/B tests, companies can gain insights into how customers are navigating their digital journey. They can also identify their pain points and optimize their journey accordingly. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of the digital customer journey. Profile Tree has helped hundreds of businesses improve their digital customer journey. And if you have any questions about that, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.